This is the. Check out this glove, man. This is a cool mitten. This is the best food I've ever made in my life. See that? Traditional pumpkin pie, son. Traditional pumpkin pie. Great value. Let's try this sucker out with the big spoon. Let's see if this bad boy any good here. This looks good. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. It's so good. Cut me a piece right here. Damn, that stinks, son. Oh my goodness. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video has been brought to you by redbubble.com/people/YouTube viewer. I hope you have a wonderful day now. Peace out. I'm gonna cover like a minute.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember the way Mom used to make Migos all soggy?
Oh.
With the red sauce, tomato sauce?
Oh, yeah.
Once I found out about the chorizo, to add the chorizo to the tortilla, I can only eat them like this now.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Only a few places make them the way I like.
And you found that out at a restaurant?
No.
Or you just thought about it?
No. I'm not gonna.
Why?
I've been on them all day, washing the car,
Oh yeah.
scrubbing the freaking room.
Alright, I'm recording real quick.
You know, actors and actresses can win Emmys just for appearing as a guest on SNL?
I didn't know that.
Weird, right?
But they have to perform, like, right? They gotta do something.
I just get it.
Like funny, yeah.
Oh!
And you and I got a torta. Here.
One of my tortas.
You got our cherry.
Oh!
Here we go.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you kindly. Let me see that. Yes, yeah. Oh, that good right there. How come I didn't get that? What he got?
Because this is cheaper.
This is good
Oh,
too,
he
though.
has his own sauce.
Me and Mom, we went to Betty's Tortas and we got this taco things and we got this and this was better. Right?
Mm-hmm.
This one was better than the taco things. Look at that right there.
And then, Richard, what, do you know how VR and I were just sitting there?